What's up, everybody? I'm back with another two deals video, and today we got some deals for you. Mostly coming from Home Depot. I got a few, couple, one single, one from Lowe's, kind of ish, but it's better on Amazon, so we'll get to that. But let's go ahead and jump into it. First off, I spoke about this yesterday. $99. I don't remember what I was comparing it to. I think I was comparing it to a dewalt kit for 117, and I was telling you that the dewalt kit had this little guy, this little adapter right here on the right, and that's what made it better. But I'm like, yeah, for the $18, you could just buy this little thing, right? And so I wanted to show you this. This is what I had to go do yesterday. So I found this in there for $9.97, right? So I got this excellent little deal right there, and this was actually on clearance for $89. All right, so some of the Home Depots have this for $89. And the weird thing is, it was saying that it didn't have this in store, right? At this particular store here, but no, it was in there. There's a whole end cap full of them, and they were all $89. So don't always pay attention to this. You know, you got to check BrickSeek, and sometimes BrickSeek might also say it's not in there. Sometimes you just got to go to the store. So there you go there. Just wanted to let you guys know that. Moving on. Let's hop on over to Ohio Power Tool real quick. We haven't been over there in a while. You know, they used to have all the Metabo stuff cheap, and hopefully you took advantage because they ain't cheap no more. So they have this Milwaukee M18 Rocket Light, and for 179. And I think I talked about that. Was it 179 the other day, or was it 149? 179 is still super cheap, but it also comes with a free battery. So you get a free 5 amp hour battery at 179 over at Ohio Power Tool. I'm pretty sure if shipping is free. Yep, shipping is free. And there you go there. Unfortunately, there's no Rakuten or anything like that. Oh, you know what? Let's check extra bucks. Yeah, there's no extra bucks or anything like that. So that's that. Moving on over to Lowe's. And of course, if you know, before we get into it, first off, let me just do my little plug. If you get any value from my videos, if I brought you some good tool deals and saved you some money, would you mind subscribing? Let's bump me over to 18,000. We've been at 17,000 for months. So let's see 18,000 subscribers. And let's not forget over at Lowe's, you have your Rakuten. Rakuten's a free cashback extension. Maximize your savings, y'all. This doesn't cost you anything to do. Use the link in the description to sign up. You'll get $30 when you spend $30 in addition to the 2% cashback. And if you've already done that, of course, you know to check Retail Me Not, because they usually have 1% over Rakuten. And sometimes this bad boy gets up to 6 and 8%. So you got to just be diligent and keep checking. But they have this Brondale. Y'all know I did the Brondale bidet seat. Showed that to you guys back in like December. And no, January. And I love it. I really do love it. And they have one on sale now for $375, which is not bad. Like that's now the one that I showed you, they sent me their tippy top of the line one. I wouldn't spend all that money, and I showed you guys that it was way cheaper on Amazon too. So I gotta tell y'all, that ruined my whole relationship with a branding company because I refuse to market the Brondale website, and they figured out what happened, and I got cut off. But I don't care because this is tool deals, and I'm not going to show y'all anything that I wouldn't buy. And I wouldn't, knowing it was like $200 cheaper on Amazon, I couldn't do that. So yeah, I lost that endorsement. But whatever, 374 I will almost consider. But now I said, you know what? Let me check Amazon because Amazon is always cheaper. It seems this is not the exact same one. In fact, the one that's the DR802, I couldn't even find on Amazon. But they have this LE99. I really can't see the difference other than the deodorizer. It's still heated seats. It has a night light, the dryer, the 5-position stainless steel nozzle. I don't really see why you would get the top of the line one over this. It's $263 for a round toilet. But this one over here, over at Lowe's, has a deodorizer. So basically, it's an automatic one too. So it keeps the air fresh. On the one that I showed you, it was their Swash 1400. You have to actually push the button to turn the deodorizer on. This one's automatic. So there you go. But $269, that's definitely territory. I will buy that. I would spend up to $300 on a good bidet seat, and this one has excellent reviews. I highly, highly, highly recommend them. A lot of you said once I used it, I'd never go back, and you was not wrong. All right, moving on over to back to Home Depot, we have this M18 Fuel oscillating tool kit comes with a 5 amp hour battery, charger, bag, and then the oscillating tool. Now this oscillating tool has the automatic function. The M12 doesn't, but I still prefer the M12. The vibration is a little less on that one, and it's smaller. So I prefer that one. But this is a decent deal here. But when you buy this, you're able to add a free tool. So I just added. You're able to choose between an angle grinder, I think a 6 amp hour battery, or 8 amp hour battery, and a hammer drill. They're all $199. So you add this to the cart. It made this angle grinder $124, which is an excellent deal. Excellent deal. And it made this kit $205, which is also a really good deal. The oscillating tool alone is only like $169, so for like the extra $50, almost $40, you're getting the battery and all that. I still feel like this is okay. I don't know, it's okay. All right, moving on. We're just gonna go to my cart here. Show you some other things. I don't know why this is in there. I don't recall adding this, but it's on sale, half off. These titanium drill bits, these Milwaukee ones, and these will work with impact drivers as well as regular drills. So, yeah, I mean, again, because you can drill with impact drivers as long as they have that hex bit on the bottom, and these do $15. They normally are a little more expensive. And also, if you buy this whole hog, this right angle drill, which is normally $299, you're able to add a couple things to the cart, and you'll be able to see this on your own time. Well, I'll show you real quick. So you can add some things as a free product. You can get this whole hog hole saw kit for $139, or you can get the hacksaw, or you can get some auger wood drilling bits. But of course, you want to get the most expensive thing, unless you really need these. Then go ahead and get these. But I added the hacksaw because it's going to give us the biggest discount. Makes the hacksaw $107.97, which is a great deal for this M18 fuel one. This is normally always around $200, like $180, and I just couldn't do it. $107 though. This is cheaper than well, we've seen the M12 for like $99, and I like this way better than the M12 because the stroke is way longer. This one you can actually prune little branches and stuff like that outside. The M12 you can't do it. It just vibrates like crazy. I like this thing, but it was always out of kind of pocket for me. And the whole hog becomes $191, which is also a good deal because it's legit normally always $300. So there you go with that. Okay, so we have another deal with a brad nailer. You add the brad nailer to the car, you get a free battery, and it's this CP 2 amp hour battery, and it makes it $224, and I don't like that because they making it $299 again. Remember, it was $279 for a while, or like $269, and that was the normal new price. But in 2020, the thing was $249. That was like regular price, and it was going on sale for like $229. So that inflation is just ridiculous, man. So I don't really like this deal, but it's just as good as you're getting in today's market. And now we go back to our cart here. And I'm going to show you this deal right here on this drywall cutout tool. We're going to have to remove this, though. We'll have to remove this brad nailer. Remove, and we'll see what that pans out to be because I have no idea. We're going to find out together, though. So I end up adding that same 2 amp hour battery in that drywall cut. Woo! $72.99. $72.99 right there. I'm pretty sure a lot of you are going to run out and get this because I would. This thing is routinely, $150. So there you go. And that is it for today's video. I'm pretty sure. Yes, that's it. Hopefully it was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.